Hi, and welcome to Mastering 2D Games in Unity. Learn by building 6 fully featured games from scratch. My name is Fahir, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I want to start by saying that this course is everything what I wanted to have when I started to learn game development. And I'm saying this because it has it all. This course has it all. It's a practical approach, so you will create each game from scratch, from creating a new project, so from zero, importing assets, organizing them, slicing the sprites, creating menus, players, animating the enemies, and all of the good stuff. So I will go briefly through what we are going to cover in the course. So as I said, we are going to create 6 fully featured games from scratch. We are going to implement menus. We are going to animate those menus. We are going to create characters, animate the characters, make them jump, make them run. We are going to create enemies and make them kill our player. We are going to create basic AI, that is artificial intelligence. And we are going to implement levels. We are going to implement character select system, level select system. We are going to see how can we lock and unlock those levels. We are going to use player preferences to store our data, and we are going to use binary input and output to encrypt our data. We are also going to implement weapon select system so that we can select a weapon for our player. We are going to implement in-app purchase. We are going to implement ads, video and interstitial ads to be more specific. We are going to implement social media like Facebook and Twitter and share our game or the success of our game with our friends on Google Play leaderboards. We are also going to cover much more than that. So make sure you scroll down to the bottom or scroll down below this video and take a look at the preview videos that I made available free for preview. So make sure you take a look at the games that we are going to create and see which games we are actually going to create. Take a look at the other videos because I did make plenty of videos available free for preview. I do advise you before you take this course to know object-oriented programming principles. That is, know what's a class and how to create an object from that class. Practically, that's that. Even though I covered that in the first section of the course, it will be nice if you already know and you wrote a line of code or two. You don't need to be an expert programmer in order to take this course. You can be a beginner, but I do advise you to understand those principles. So object-oriented programming principles. As I said, what is a class, what are objects, and how to create them from classes. Practically, that's that. So what are you waiting for? Hit that enroll button and I will see you in the course.